On this video, I will show how to uninstall Microsoft Office, including Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Open the search menu on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Type in Apps and Features, and select the best result to open it. In the Apps field, type in Office. Click the three-dot icon next to the Office application you want to uninstall. Select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation by selecting Uninstall again, then click Yes to proceed. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. You may receive a recommendation to restart your computer to tidy up remaining files. Select Close. If there's a default Office application installed, repeat the uninstallation process for that as well. Close the Apps and Features window. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.